Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to access files others shared with you from SharePoint and OneDrive. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in SharePoint, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, let me tell you, accessing files that others have shared with you from SharePoint or OneDrive is straightforward once you know where to look, alright? For example, these are the documents that one of the members or team of your organization, your company, or even your client has shared with you, right? For you to be able to do that, for example, don't have an access yet to the file, all you're going to do is click on share, and what will happen is you would be forwarded to here on the pencil icon, wherein you can simply select the name, the list of group of people or email address, all right, and you can simply give them a privileges or access on who can edit and make any changes and who can view and can't make changes, or you can download, you can only view but not download. All right, now the thing is, for example, we're searching for this particular file. You can add a message right here, and of course you see these manage for groups. You can access manage and for groups, and then all you're gonna do is click send. All right, now the link settings here are like anyone, people in this particular group, people to choose, and again these are the settings, and just click on apply if you want it. Now, for example, this is the file that we are were shared with us. All right, all you're gonna do is, of course, open that specific file. You can open in the app and a lot more. Now, the files that have been shared with us from SharePoint and OneDrive will reflect here in this section, right? Shared with us right here. It's a very easy and straightforward process, and again, all you're gonna do is open the file that has been shared with you from SharePoint and OneDrive. But please do remember that the thing is, there's level 2 of the access, as I've shown you. If one particular group has given you limited access, you can't do nothing. All right, ensure again that you have the necessary permissions to access the shared content. Well, the thing is, if you encounter any issues accessing a file or folder, contact the person who shared it with you to confirm permissions. Now, both SharePoint and OneDrive have search capabilities. If you know the name of the folder, you can use the search bar here to quickly find it. All right. Now, if you're using the OneDrive app, both on mobile or desktop, just open the app, look for a section or tab labeled shared with me. It's a lot easier to do it, and then navigate to this section to find files, and again, that is shared with your account. Please do note that using the OneDrive interface, all you're gonna do is log into your OneDrive account, and there's gonna be a section labeled shared or shared with me on the left side hand panel, like this one, and click on that section to view the files and the folders that have been shared with you by others. All right, it could be your boss, your client, your colleague, or one of your teammates. Now, I believe by following these steps, you should be able to easily access files and folders that others have shared with you on both SharePoint and OneDrive platforms. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.